We've reached another part of lead generation mastery, where associates play a major part in generating your leads. This method doesn't involve affiliates, but it does involve other online marketers. Ad swapping is exactly what it sounds like. It is where two online marketers swap ads with each other. When you make a deal to make an ad swap with another marketer, you will display their advertisement instead of yours in your website. In return, they would do the same in their advertisement space. One of the benefits you will gain from an ad swap is gaining a new audience from the other marketer, which you've agreed to swap ads with. The other firm has their own audience and subscribers to which you can reach. They would have their own subscribers and frequent visitors, and this is how you can reach out to them. Keep in mind that you are approaching the audience from the other marketer. Hence, your product and the other marketer's product must share similarities of some sort. Their audience is your target audience that you have not been able to reach out to before. By doing an ad swap, you're able to reach that untapped target audience. Furthermore, ad swapping could generate up to double your subscribers if it's done right. To find another marketer to swap advertisements with, it's recommended to join in ad swap groups. Of course, it is not wrong to approach another marketer who does not express interest but could be persuaded to do an ad swap. However, ad swap groups contain marketers who are interested and ready to do it. Online ad swap groups have quite a number of participants of which you can choose to approach. By joining these groups, you also have the chance to be approached by other interested marketers. Or, a simple search on the internet will bring you to an interested marketer. Most of them will make their intention to ad swaps known among the online community, and you can find them easily. It would then take some time for them to evaluate your relevancy to their product. To make sure that this business venture is lucrative, you have to make sure that you choose the right partner. The most important aspect of all is that their contents and products must be similar to yours. If you're selling something specific, electrical appliances for example, you must choose the marketer who is selling something of the same kind. If two marketers sell two very different things, it would only confuse the audience and throw them off. They would lose interest in your ad. Which is why it's important to have a similar niche. Or, even if they are not similar, they have to be interested in the same thing. The other marketer and you must have the same target audience. Another important aspect in choosing a joint venture partner is to look at the number of users. Remember that an ad swap benefits both parties, and one would not want to be taken advantage of. So, the two marketers who have agreed to do an ad swap must both have, more or less, the same number of subscribers, or the same reach. If only one firm benefits from the ad swap, then it is not considered to be a successful deal, as an ad swap should be a win-win for both parties. If you are having trouble finding a suitable marketer to do an ad swap because your niche is small, there is an alternative way for you to find a suitable partner. You must first find out what interests your audience. The best way to do this is to conduct a survey with a choice of 20 to 30 topics. From these topics, your audience can choose the one that interests them the most. Once you have the results, you can approach the pertaining marketers with your data and propose an ad swap with them. Even better, now you have the data to prove your eligibility. Just like any other advertisements, you need to prepare an attractive headline to pull in your audience. Your headline has to be succinct, as anything long would throw them off. An effective copy is also essential, but this really depends on the space provided. The ad you prepare must coincide with the space they provide. If they only provide a small space, then your ad needs to have a short headline with a short copy. Or sometimes, the other marketer will promote your product via email in which all you have to provide is the link. The call to action and copy will be done by the joint venture partner you made a deal with. There are various ways for this deal to be done, but essentially, what needs to be achieved is that the number of subscribers of both parties should increase.
Hi, Abram Coetzee here, and a warm welcome to my channel. I value your precious time, and my wish for you is that you have found something of real value in this video that will help you to close more leads and to scale your business beyond your dreams. If you have found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification. We will upload one module every week. I quickly want to introduce you to a brand new way to hack your social media profiles to generate unlimited free traffic for your business. It doesn't require any special skills and it doesn't involve running complicated ads. In fact, what I'm about to show you is probably the easiest, fastest and most beginner-friendly way to grow your business with social media today. And I'm willing to bet you didn't even know it existed. The hidden traffic on Facebook. Have you ever been scrolling around on Facebook when a post, like or comment catches your eye, and then for whatever reason you decide to click to view that person's profile page? If you've done that before, you're not alone. I do this all the time. I'll see a post or comment or like that catches my eye, and I can't help but click to their profile page to see who that person is and what they're about. Let's be honest, we're all nosy on social media. Have you ever wondered how often this is happening to you? How many people are clicking to view your profile daily? Let's do an experiment where we treat your Facebook profile like a landing page. We'll add buttons, links and call to actions to your products and services in all the right places, and watch the magic happen. It will shock you how quickly you get results. You'll immediately tap into a consistent stream of free leads for your business just by making a few simple tweaks to your Facebook profile. And if your profile isn't set up and optimized to capture those potential customers, you're missing out big time. In this blueprint, I'm going to show you how to completely transform your Facebook profile into a lead machine that brings you new customers 24/7. The link will be in the description below this video. I hope I will see you on the other side. Take care, take action, goodbye.